What's up, guys? So today we're featuring this hair that's on my head. Don't judge it. Let me tell you guys where I went wrong with this wig. I'm still gonna try and style it, so just keep watching and see how this turns out. This wig is from Eullair hair. I think that's how you say it. I've worked with these people before. Real quick on the wig, the ear tabs weren't, well, when I first got the wig, they didn't seem like they were up to par, but once I put it on, it actually fit just fine, just nicely. So this is, like I said, a deep wave wig. Now the issue that I have right now is this patch here. This patch is supposed to be like just a little blonde patch, and I was trying to hurry up and basically process the blonde patch, and I actually forgot about it, and the bleach was on for a very long time. So when I came back, the roots were white and the ends were still brown. Now that right there should tell you that you should not use a 40 volume developer on your hair if you're just trying to make a little blonde patch. But if you're trying to get platinum, it definitely can get there. I did apply the T18 toner to this, and for some reason this bottom part turned brown, and then these completely went white on me. So that's my current problem right now. But from all that processing, it still does have somewhat of a wave pattern down here, not so much up here. So yeah, I'm finna try and finesse this real quick, so guys, just bear with me, don't judge. You know, we all make mistakes, so just watch and see if I can fix this. But yeah, y'all, yeah, had a little, I don't even want to say brain fart. Like, I literally, y'all want to know the real truth, I'm struggling. What's the name? I took a nap. I sat down, I had all the colors and the bleaches and all that stuff on my wigs and stuff, and I sat down for a second. It was supposed to be just for a second, and I ended up taking a nap. And then when I woke up, I came to the kitchen, didn't even remember that I had bleach on one of them, and yeah, seen it on the counter, and I was like, oh crap, let me rinse it out, and this is what I was left with. So pro, I guess I can say about this hair company and their hair, period, it does process well. You can get it up as high as you need to, clearly, but wow, be careful. Like, I don't even know what else to say. I have a prior video on doing like curls on the flat iron on some curly hair. Actually, it was recently uploaded, but I feel like this is the only way I can kind of save it. So I'm just gonna curl this and try to like style it to where I feel like it doesn't look as bad. But we'll see if I can come back from this failed bleach job, okay? And I'm kind of rushing because I need to get to class, but just bear with me, guys. Now, if this was a success, I would have did a voiceover, but I really need to focus. I can't be talking right now, so I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see how this turns out. the finished look. Like I said, it was really my fault for over processing the hair and not paying attention. So this hair had a lot of potential, but I kind of ruined it with my dumbness. But this is me trying to fix, or yeah, attempting to fix the mess that I made. I mean, it's not that bad, but I don't know, this isn't it for me. Like with the brightness up, you can see like the true whiteness of the actual hair, and it's like really bad. Like, and so much hair shed from this that I couldn't even pluck the blonde part. Like, it's so dry. But like I said, I can't really, this really doesn't reflect on the actual hair company, simply because every hair has its limits. But as far as the hair before I did all of this, it was really pretty, really good deep wave. It curls really well too with the flat iron. Don't mind my broken nail, but yeah, I wish I would have paid more attention, so the wig would have came out the way I wanted it to, because it was gonna be lit. But yeah guys, I'll leave all the hair information down below. I've worked with this company before, so I can vouch for them and say that they are a really great company. It's just the fact that I made a mistake. So yeah, and I wasn't gonna upload this, but I'm uploading simply because, you know, YouTubers and people who do hair for a living and for fun do make mistakes. This was, like I said, my attempt of trying to fix this. Y'all can go ahead and clown me in the comments, because I'm mad dumb for that. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.